it right.
The Toyota Hilux Revo Double Cab Z Edition 2.4 Mid-At represents the pinnacle of performance, style, and functionality in the world of pickup trucks. In this video, we'll explore the key features that make the Hilux Revo Z Edition a standout in its class, from its powerful engine to its cutting-edge technology and stylish design. Robust exterior design. The Hilux Revo Z Edition commands attention with its robust and bold exterior design. Featuring a distinctive front grille, aggressive lines, and muscular fenders, this pickup exudes a sense of strength and capability. Z Edition styling accents. Distinguishing itself from the standard models, the Z Edition incorporates exclusive styling accents. These may include unique badging, sporty decals, and additional design elements that contribute to the truck's dynamic and sporty appearance. Powerful 2.4-liter engine. Under the hood, the Hilux Revo Z Edition packs a punch with its powerful 2.4-liter engine. This engine not only delivers robust performance but also ensures fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both work and adventure. Automatic transmission convenience. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the Hilux Revo Z Edition offers the convenience of smooth and effortless gear shifts. This enhances the overall driving experience, especially during city commutes and off-road adventures. Off-road capability. Built on the Hilux's renowned reputation for off-road prowess, the Z Edition is designed to tackle various terrains with ease. With features like high ground clearance and a durable suspension system, it's ready to conquer challenging landscapes. Comfortable and spacious interior. Step inside, and you'll find that the Hilux Revo Z Edition prioritizes comfort and functionality. The spacious interior is designed to accommodate both passengers and cargo comfortably, making it an excellent choice for long journeys or demanding work tasks. Advanced infotainment system. Keeping up with modern connectivity, the Hilux Revo Z Edition is equipped with an advanced infotainment system. This may include a touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and other features that enhance entertainment and convenience on the road.
Down the law and you've been served. For my 1 billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a top priority in the Hilux Revo Z Edition, and it comes equipped with a range of safety features. These may include advanced driver assistance systems, multiple airbags, and a reinforced body structure to ensure the well-being of occupants. Z Edition exclusive wheels. Adding a touch of flair, The Z Edition may come with exclusive alloy wheels. These wheels not only contribute to the truck's aesthetics but also enhance its overall performance and handling. Signature Toyota reliability. As a Toyota vehicle, the Hilux Revo Z Edition upholds the brand's legacy of reliability and durability. Known for its robust construction and longevity, the Hilux is a trusted companion for drivers who demand performance and dependability from their vehicles. In conclusion, the Toyota Hilux Revo Double Cab Z Edition 2.4 Mid combines style, power, and versatility to create a pickup truck that stands out in the competitive market. Whether you're navigating urban landscapes or venturing off the beaten path, the Hilux Revo Z Edition is engineered to deliver a dependable and exhilarating driving experience. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the details that make this edition a remarkable addition to the Toyota Hilux lineup.